Hi, welcome to JWR Academy. Today we are discussing the example based on order of operation, how to simplify this question and we will get the right answer. So, mm, now we are simplifying 20 minus 10 is 10 and multiply 2 multiply 5. Okay, now it is your choice. First you multiply 2 multiply 5 is 10 or 10 multiply 2 is multiply 5, so is your choice. Both cases answer is same. Okay, so here 10 10 the 100 or here 10 the 20 multiply 5, so this is also 100. So both cases we we are getting the answer 100 and this answer right answer is 100. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video.